Yo, what's up, guys? I lost about $8,000 this week trading about 5% of my account, of my portfolio, and this week has been a hard week. QQQ just crashed like 10% today. I don't even know what it was, but China had something to do with Trump with the tariffs, and the market crashed. I got stopped out on a lot of my positions. It was very overwhelming, and it's hard to manage a portfolio when you have 3 to 5 different positions that are all crashing and everything's going down. So I ended up green in the beginning of the week, now completely red, down $8,000 on the week. Not a terrible week. It's not game over. I didn't blow my fucking account up. I'm down 5%. I managed it decently well. And I want to talk about in this video just discipline. I want to talk about how, trading may feel impossible for you to become profitable, to become real. And I know that feeling. I know the feeling of just continuously losing and you feel like it's not even possible to win. And it kind of sounds crazy saying that, but be honest, do you feel like that? You ever feel like it's literally impossible to become profitable? You feel like one week you do good and then the next week you blow it all. And then the week after that you break even, and then you keep just failing and failing. And it just feels like a matrix. It feels like a circle of just you're doing the same things over and over again. And always remember, and this is something that I would tell myself when I was unprofitable, is the only reason why you're unprofitable is because of you. That is the only reason. It's not your teacher, your parents, your mentor, the videos that you watch. It's not about how much size is in your account. It's you completely. So always remember that the reason for unprofitability is yourself. Nobody else has anything to do with your trading. And I think that's the number one thing to understand is you are your worst enemy in this game. And if you are going to hurt yourself, if you're not going to stick to your stops, if you're not going to respect your plan, if you can't stay a little extra patient in this market, know when to put your foot on the gas and then take your foot off of the gas, all of these are skills. All of these are things and habits that you need to build within yourself while you're trading. Right now, if you don't have those skill sets, if you can't build good habits, if you can't build trust with yourself and stick to your set of rules every single day, if you can't do what's supposed to be done, you'll never get to where you're supposed to be. So today, I got wiped out, and I'm taking a loss on the week, and it's hard, of course. I ended the week down 5% on my account. I'm down $8,000, bro. Dude, I'm going into the weekend. It's a rainy weekend. I'm not on some depressed shit, but you know what I mean? It's damn, it's ended the week bad. QQQ fucking fell like crazy. And just today's not the most ideal day, but I think it's very, very important to stay positive. I think it's very important to understand what got me here in the first place. I got here, I got to this profitability, I got to scaling my account and doing good in trading because of the habits that I've built, the mindset that I've built. Everything within trading is obviously a strategy, right? You need a good strategy. Fuck all that though. Once you got the strategy, boom, you know it's proven to work. You need to get better at it. It's simple as that. But what is the 100% of trading that you need to master or you will never become profitable? And that is just your mindset. It is that simple. If you cannot have a good mindset, if you can't walk away from a losing day, not over trading, not revenge trading, but accepting the loss, that is a real trader. If you can sit there and stay a little extra patient, maybe 5 to 10 minutes more patient, instead of rushing a trade because you want to make money or you think that you're going to get FOMO from missing out on a trade, that is real discipline. Being patient, not getting overexcited or overconfident, not getting underconfident, but just knowing your strategy as a whole, knowing you as a trader, right? You know what you do right and what you do wrong in this market. And if you know yourself, if you know how good you can do, and you know what it takes to get this good at trading, why don't you just follow through with your rules? Why don't you just do what you're supposed to do, right? And this is a repetitive thing. I think that every single one of you should be profitable by now. No jokes. You should be profitable by now. You know what it takes. You know what you should be doing, but you can't follow your rules. You can't have a good mindset. You always are chasing dopamine. Either you're getting FOMO and chasing a trade that you shouldn't even be taking. Your breakout isn't working, so you're going and taking fucking QQQ or SPY, puts, 0 DTEs for no reason. You're gambling on random stocks because you want to make money back. You're oversizing to get rich quick. All of these things are stuff that I've done in the market that has just hurt me so bad. And there's absolutely no way you'll ever become profitable if you continue to do those things every single day. And today is like a bad day for me, bad week for me. 8K, I'm down on the week, and I realized it's like, wow, bro, like this is what real discipline looks like. Real risk management, knowing when to cut your losses, accepting the losses, and walking away. I took my losses today. I went to the freaking gym, I walked away, and I accepted it. I told myself, like literally, I'm a loser today with my trading, right? I took it, not I'm a loser, but you know what I mean. Like I lost today. I'm going to accept it. I was a loser in the market today, and I'm okay with that. I'm accepting it. I'm embracing it. It's okay to lose. You're not going to be 100% right. It's not about being 100% right. But what it's about is 100% every single day managing your risk. 100% just accepting the outcome of your trading. Whether it's a win, whether it's a loss, a break even. Do what you're supposed to do, execute every day. Once you feel that little bit of emotion in your head starting to trigger, or you feel that need to do something that you should not be doing, you need to turn the computer off and walk away. What I like to do is I like to go for walks. I like to, you know what I mean, go read a book or some shit. Go play paddleball, go golf. Do something. I like to get out and be productive, to have my mind focus on a complete different task. Because when I'm just looking at the markets after a loss, all I want to do is make my money back. The market, you have to realize, has unlimited opportunities. Unlimited. So when you're sitting there and you know you could be placing another trade, making more money, you have an opportunity to make money. It's unlimited. You can, until 4 p.m., you can take as many trades as you want. So like, realistically realize, like any human being, if they see an opportunity to make more money, they're going to take that opportunity. And that's what leads to over trading, to blowing accounts, to even being in more of a hole than you already are. So make sure that you're accepting your losses. It's completely normal. It's not the end of the world. I think being the best loser got me to where I am today. I think accepting my losses and knowing that another day is going to come, it's all good, you know what I mean? So realize that and understand that if you lost today, or if you lost this week, or this month, or even this year, you cannot hold and maintain profitability. It's okay, because the only way that this doesn't work out is if you quit. That's the only way. I'm just being dead ass. Like, the only way this does not work out for you is if you quit. You gotta ask yourself, do I really, really want this trading shit to work out? Throughout the bad weeks, throughout the bad months, even a bad day, maybe your girlfriend broke up with you, maybe your dog died, maybe everything in this world may seem to be going wrong for you. Ask yourself, how bad do you want it? And what is your why? Having a why in business, in entrepreneurship, in trading, it is the number one key factor to becoming successful. If you're not doing it for a strong enough reason, you will not get it done. And it's just that simple. And if you do get lucky somehow, it'll get snagged from you. The market will humble you. Life will humble you. If you don't appreciate what you have, if you don't take it step by step, day by day, and appreciate the process and get good at skills, get good at habits. And remember, like I said, do it for your reason why. What is your why? Do you even know why you want to become so rich, or do you just want a lot of money? Because what is a lot of money? Money is like, it's not real. It's just a piece of paper. The way that you can maintain money and consistently get money is by building habits, is by building skills and becoming the best person and trader you can be. So imagine if you can just become the best person overall. You wonder why your trading is not working. Maybe you're not the best person. Maybe you're still having bad habits. Maybe you can't even fucking make your bed. Maybe you don't brush your teeth every single night. Maybe you still go out on the weekends and you don't study trading as much. But then you want to be a millionaire, profitable trader, but you can't even become disciplined in your actual life. So ask yourself, do an analyzation. Who am I as a person? Am I the best person that I could be right now? Could I be a better person? Would that better person make my trading a better trader? Does that make sense? So it's all about just self-improvement as a whole. And also, one thing that I want to say is trading itself comes with time. Doesn't matter how fucking disciplined you can be. You can eat chicken and rice and journal your trades for 90 days in a row, but you could still have that missing piece within your trading. So always remember, trading comes with time. It comes with experience. And the ones that make it out are the ones that believe in themselves and continue to grind throughout the dark days and the dark weeks like I'm having. So just make sure that you're continuing to grind. Make sure you have a why with why you're doing this, because if you're not striving for something every single day, for that big goal, and taking it step by step, you won't get it. You won't get success. There's no way. If you're just doing it because you want money or want Lambos or want houses and all this jewelry and all this fancy, shiny things, God will not reward you with that. God rewards the ones that do it for the right reasons and do it because they have a purpose. So if you pray daily, if you believe in yourself, if you work on your craft every single day, there's no way that this can't work. Peace out. Love you guys.